almost rings. A cool wind coming from behind, ice keeping time against my drink. I used to file the world into neat drawers, keep or return mine or not. Then they came smelling of acacia and slipped between the labels I had made. Turns out a line can still be clear without becoming a wall. I keep the missing 20 for whatever I can't plan, for the song I nearly skipped, for the street outside the map. 80% can move me, the rest is room for something new. I know exactly what I like, and still I keep the missing 20. I wore the crowd's favorite color, it looked better on the rack. I learned the names of all the right things, but never why I wanted them at all. Now famous doesn't make it mine, and hidden doesn't make it gold. I give a thing 5 honest seconds, then trust the part of me that knows. The answer comes before the reason. A small light flickers behind my eyes. I keep the missing 20 for whatever I can't plan, for the song I nearly skipped, for the street outside the map. 80% can move me, the rest is room for something new. I know exactly what I like, and still I keep the missing 20. After rain I stop for the pavement, though I still prefer the sun. I dodge the sharp edge of December, then chase a warm night's restless wind. Contradictions don't need sorting, they can sit there side by side. Every favorite adds a coastline to a sea I thought I had to find. I keep the missing 20 for the view beyond the frame, for the color I pass by today that may stop me another day. 80% is plenty, the rest is open water blue. The more I know the shape of me, the more the world comes into view. Blue sky, cool wind, open water. One more thing I never knew, the sea was never finished, neither was my point of view.